Hello everyone, my name is Hamza and I am AI engineer and also the co-founder of Larian. And today our topic is probability, statistic and Bayesian inference. So let's start the topic. So imagine you wake up in the morning and see dark clouds in the sky. You think maybe it will rain today, but you are not so percent sure. You are just guessing based on what you see. Nothing. How do we make such decisions in life when we are not fully sure? This is where probability and statistic help us. So our first topic is probability. Now let's understand this. In real life, we are never fully certain. For example, will it rain today? And will a student pass an exam? Will a patient recover? We don't know the exact answer, but we can estimate the chances. The estimation is called probability. For example, imagine you have a coin. When you toss it, there are two possibility outcomes, head or tail. So the possibility of getting head is 50%. It means out of many tries, about half the time you will get head. In real example, now think about a doctor. A patient comes with symptoms. The doctor thinks there is a high chances this is a flu, but it could also be something else. The doctor is using probability in his mind. Now the another topic is statistic. What is statistic? And statistic help us understand data and make decisions from it. Probability talks about chances, but statistic works with real data. Statistic helps us answer questions like what is the average, what is common, and what is unusual. For example, imagine a class of students. You collect their marks. Now you calculate the average marks. This average tells you the general performance of the class. That is statistic. Uh, Another real life example. Think about a hospital. Doctors collect data from thousands of patients. They study how many recovered, how many and complications, and what treatment worked best. From this data, they make better decisions, and that is statistic in action. Now let's talk about probability plus statistic. Now there is something important. Here is something important. Probability and statistics work together. Probability helps us predict, and statistics help us learn from real data. So one looks forward, and the another looks backward. Imagine, for example, you imagine a weather system. It has a data from past, let's suppose, 10 years, and it uses statistics to understand patterns. When clouds are like this rain happened 70% of the time. Now it uses probability to say uh, there is a 70% chance of rain today. So past data plus probability is equal to smart predictions. Now the last topic is Bayesian inference. Bayesian inference means updating your belief. when you get new information. Uh, for example, when we pick a story, let's understand this with a story. Uh, Imagine you think there is a 30% chance it will rain today. Now, after some time, you see dark clouds. Now, what happens? Imagine you believe changes. Now, you think, okay, maybe no, it's 70% chance of rain. What happened here? You updated your belief using new evidence. That is Bayesian thinking. If we pick a medical example, so let's suppose, imagine a doctor again, and a patient comes in. At first, the doctor thinks there is a small chance of a serious disease. Then a test result comes. No, the doctor updates his thinking. No, the chance is higher. More tests comes. The belief keeps updating. This continuous updating is Bayesian inference. Basically, this is very powerful because in real life we don't get all information at once. We learn from step by step, and every time we learn something new, we improve our decisions. So basically, think of it like a detective. At the start, he has little information, and as he collects clues and his understanding improves. At the end, he solves the case. That process is Bayesian thinking. In a modern AI systems, this idea is very important. For example, spam detection, email filtering, medical diagnosis, recommendation systems. These systems keep updating their predictions as they get more data. Uh, think about life. We are always uncertain, but we don't stay confused forever. We observe, we learn, and we update our thinking, and slowly we make better decisions. That is exactly what probability and statistic and Bayesian and inference teach us. So, in a simple words, probability tells us the chance of something happening, and statistics help us understand data, and Bayesian inference help us update and our beliefs, and when new information comes. So, if you want to work in AI and data science or healthcare, these concepts are not just theory, they are the way machines and even humans make smart decisions in an uncertain world. If I give you an example, and I hope all the three concepts are covered in this example. Imagine a hospital is testing patients for a disease. The hospital looks at past data and finds out of 1,000 people, only 50 people had the disease. So for this data, they understand the disease is rare. This is statistic learning from past data. And no, a new patient comes before any test, the doctor thinks there is a low chance the person has the disease. Because statistically only 5% people had it. So this is probability, estimating the chance. So this is the probability. And no, the patient takes a test. The result, the test result is positive. No, the doctor thinks again. Okay, no, the chance of disease is higher. Then another test is done. So it if that is also positive, the doctor becomes more confident. Every time new information comes, the doctor updates the belief. This is by Bayesian inference. So basically, statistic is learn from past data, and probability is make an uh, initial guess, and the Bayesian is update the guess with new data. So statistic tells us what happened before, and probability tells us what might happen, and Bayesian inference tells us how to update our thinking.